Yes, now I'm here with Miss Guru here. This is Leanne.
Hi guys.
Hi. Now hi, because she's only been here in my house like 4 hours. But I've never been able to make her workshops. You're at the Audi Centre, hey?
Yeah.
Nice, classy. So never been able to make them. Maybe I just ran away from her for 3 years. Right, 3 years I've never been to one of her workshops.
And every time I will be there. I'm interested, so I've messaged, done all the right things. Patty, are you going to be there? I'll come back to you.
So I invited her to my home, and then got 4 of my friends to come to my home, and we did a workshop at my house. So today's workshop was YouTube. And I think about halfway in, my brain was exploding. I thought I knew about YouTube, but far out. What was my takeaways? I loved learning about what the cards were, what is the end thing?
So the end screens.
End screens.
So basically what it is actually everybody was learning what they could do with their own business and how they could apply it to their videos.
Yeah.
And one of the really exciting things is at the end of a YouTube video, you can actually put a little card up that will tell people to watch the next video. And you can
subscribe.
as well as subscribe.
Yeah.
And even halfway through, you can actually pop up a poll or ask people questions.
What did you learn?
My biggest takeaway was www.rev.com. It was awesome. It is like where you take your video and you pop it in there, and then it transcribes the wording that you're actually speaking at the bottom of the video. So it's freaking awesome.
Yeah,
that was my best. And Leanne's amazing.
Yes.
And we're going to work together, share.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now, so when's your next gigs are on?
So for the month of December, I'm doing digital success and strategy. So planning and mapping your business for 2019 so that you can hit the ground running and start getting the growth in the business that you want rather than chasing all the time. Mm-hmm. So thank you so much, Patty. It's been awesome. It's been an amazing day.
So contact Leanne. I'll just PM her.